The Justice Department has ordered federal prosecutors to drop corruption charges against New York City Mayor Eric Adams. This decision marks a significant development in a case that has been characterized by controversy and political implications. Specifics of the situation: in September, Eric Adams was indicted on multiple counts including bribery, conspiracy, and campaign finance violations. He pleaded not guilty to all charges, maintaining his innocence throughout the process. The forthcoming trial was set for April 2025. However, in a surprising move on February 10th, Acting Deputy Attorney General Emil Bove instructed prosecutors in Manhattan to dismiss the charges without prejudice, meaning they could potentially be refiled later. This important. The dismissal reflects broader discussions about the intersection of law enforcement and politics in America today. Noted by multiple sources, including CBS News and NBC News, this situation raises questions about prosecutorial independence and whether justice can be administered fairly when political figures are involved. Opinions on this development vary widely. According to Jacob Rosen from CBS News, Bove's memo indicates that the timing of the charges had interfered with Adams' ability to address pressing issues such as illegal immigration, a central focus of Donald Trump's administration. Meanwhile, other reports highlight potential motivations behind the dismissal, connected to Trump's influence and proximity to Adams. For instance, former President Trump suggested he might pardon Adams if necessary, and remarked that the mayor had been treated pretty unfairly. Critics argue that dropping these charges sets a dangerous precedent for political accountability. Looking at historical context, worthy that Adams is one of several mayors who have faced scrutiny over their conduct while in office, however. He is unique in being both under indictment and having recently forged closer ties with Trump following his election victory. This bears resemblance to previous cases where political leaders have leveraged relationships for favorable outcomes regarding legal issues. A bigger picture here involves concerns over how such decisions made by authorities could affect public trust in government institutions. Observers like Eli Honig from CNN have criticized this directive as undermining faith in legal processes, meant to hold officials accountable regardless of their position or political alignment. In conclusion, while Eric Adams claims vindication through the Justice Department's order to drop charges against him, this incident underscores ongoing tensions between politics and law enforcement. It's how intertwined these spheres can become, and poses critical questions about accountability when powerful individuals are involved. Moving forward, it will be essential for citizens to scrutinize not just individual cases, but also systemic trends impacting governance and legal practices across the country.